welcome viewers. I'm Pia and you're watching NewsX. We're tracking some rather interesting developments at the moment. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has called out Meta chief Mark Zuckerberg's assertion that the BJP lost all major elections this year. He has stated that it was disappointing to see the billionaire dishing out misinformation. The Bharatiya Janata Party, of course, won the 2024 general elections. Its leader, Narendra Modi, became the Prime Minister for the third consecutive time. The Meta CEO, however, told podcaster Joe Rogan that incumbents in all countries, including India specifically, lost elections. My colleague Mehendi Garg with us on the broadcast. Mehendi, a befitting reply to Mark Zuckerberg given by Union Minister Vaishnav.
Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has refuted Mark Zuckerberg's claim that India's ruling party lost all major elections, calling it disappointing to see the billionaire spreading misinformation. And also, Zuckerberg had suggested that most incumbent governments, including India, were defeated in elections held after the COVID-19 pandemic. And also in response to that, Ashwini Vaishnav labeled these assertions as factually incorrect. And apart from that, also, Pia, in a post on the X platform, Ashwini Vaishnav has mentioned that how as the world's largest democracy, India has conducted the 2024 elections with over 640 million voters, and the people of India reaffirmed their trust in the NDA led by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi leadership. And also taking a jibe at Mark Zuckerberg's comment, and he mentioned that his claims that most incumbent governments, including India in 2024 elections, lost post-COVID is factually incorrect. And also, Pia, during a recent, statement with Joe Rogan, Zuckerberg also mentioned and given a remark that 2024 was a big election year around the world, and all the countries like India had elections. The incumbents basically lost every single one. There is some sort of a global phenomena, but it was because of inflation and also the economic policies to deal with COVID, or just how the government dealt with COVID. There was a broad decrease in trust in incumbents and maybe in these sorts of democratic institutions overall. So, praising the Prime Minister's handling the pandemic, Ashwini Vaishnav also urged the tech mogul to maintain accuracy and credibility, because he mentioned giving data that from free food for over 800 million to 2.2 billion free vaccines and 8 nations worldwide during COVID to leading India as the fastest growing major economic. PM Modi's received third time victory is a testament to good governance and public interest. And also, Mark Zuckerberg recently announced that Meta would be ending its partnership with the third-party fact checkers in the US, opting instead to, let ordinary users debunk the false claims via a model called Committee Notes, a system popularized by the X platform. So yes, on these comments of Mark Zuckerberg, BJP has taken a strong jibe on his comments. Yes, Pia.
All right, Mehendi, stay on with us as we track further developments.